got this new squeak noise that you make. And you do bubbles and raspberries too, right?
Disparity is the biggest in all of baseball. And the best record in baseball. 3-2 pitch.
Do the bubbles.
He walked up.
Do the bubbles.
Second walk issued by Adam Wainwright.
Do the
Don't miss
bubbles,
St.
Papa.
Louis's biggest office party and the workplace
Super
wellness
baby.
event of the year. The Biz Dash is Thursday, September 15th, right across the street at Ballpark Village. Fox Sports Midwest presents the Friendly Industry Team Competition. Create your company team. Join in the fun. Visit stlbizdash.com.
The Biz Dash.
Yep.
He's like, what is that?
Maloney in a fly ball that's lifted out to shallow left.
Do the bubbles noise.
Can't get there. Drops in front of Moss. Play at third and safe. With the that he would take off. I've never seen that.
If he doesn't step on the glove, he stays stepped on the glove. He pulls his hand away, the glove comes away, he's out.
I was gonna make fart noises while I play with my toes, guys. It's cool.
Good point though about a swipe tag too.
I mean, all you gotta do is
What do you think, Mom?
And I think there's maybe a little confusion here with the umpires.
He's
I think
good.
they decipher this as well.
I think we gotta look at this
Make the
regardless. If it
noises.
doesn't come up
Do
with
it.
what's not reviewable is reviewable. You
Oh,
gotta-
here he goes.
You gotta figure it out.
he's gotta get the lips ready. Do it.
It's caught in the cleat of Cespedes as
There it is.
Wainwright is trying to leave. I've never seen that. Just on the replay alone, to me, he's out.
What a silly guy.
People are like, wait, what just happened?
Play with the toes.
Folks here at the ballpark are seeing the replay and they're moaning and groaning and thinking that he, without question, is out.
Dude, you're a creep. Oh man, okay. I think that is sufficient blackmail material. Oh, he's gonna give me some more. Drooling everywhere.
If you're Terry Collins, how do you argue that he's not out?
He needs the drool to make the noise.
Oh yeah. Crap, I just messed him up.
The glove